Greetings, pool people. So it's that time. It is time to drain our pool and get it set up for the third season. This will be our second season with a saltwater filter. A saltwater pool with a salt to chlorine filter, and it worked really great last year. But I'm going to show you what our pool looks like right now, and don't judge me, okay? So let me know if you're setting up your pool yet, what you're doing this year, if you're making any changes. There's the pump that we're using to pump out this nasty, mostly rainwater. We did drain our pool at the end of the season, and I left this out here, left it full of water and sand, and I hope that it is fine when I turn it back on. We're gonna need to get salt for the pool, 5 or 6 bags of salt, and we're also gonna have to level it out because if you remember last year we actually made it worse off level. So we're going to drain it, move it to the side, and fix it. This is the one responsible for the off level.
No, right there. Turn the camera around.
So if y'all remember from the first video, definitely he was even worse off this year. So oh yay, so it is the next morning and it's time to sweep this stuff out. There's still quite a bit of water here. Oh, it looks like a swamp. So we're gonna pump a little more water out while we sweep this up. So I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. So here's my advice when you're taking on a project like this. It's already getting to be 86 degrees in Louisiana at the end of March, so every day I have vowed to do 1 hour of work on the pool. So right now I am just sweeping the trash into the either the shovel or the thing and dumping it over the side. So progress is progress, so let's go. Alright, so now the last of the water, I've got to use a bucket and do this bailout. And this is kind of difficult because my dogs chewed up my boots, so if I get my foot too deep in the water, it gets all wet. After we do this, we're going to scoot the pool over there and level the ground.
Alright, so it is possible to move your pool. If it's empty, you just need about 3 people, and we just move it a little bit, and then we fix the legs and make them stand straight up again, and then we pull it again until these legs over to the right start to fall down. And then we go and we pull those legs back straight, and then we do it again and fix the legs that are bending, and then one last time, and we are off.
Alright, so we got the pool moved off of the spot, and although it looks really level to the naked eye, it is not. So we're going to work on that, and we're also going to support the bottom of our legs better than that. We're going to have a wider, like, little cut piece of plywood to go underneath. Another warning, when you're moving a pool or doing anything with it and it's been sitting a while, please be careful because spiders are all through here. So that's just another warning. Alright, time to do some digging. Not today though. See you tomorrow.